In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll walk you through how to trigger training sequences when a form is completed. If you've ever wanted to automate training triggers based on form submissions, this video is for you. Stay tuned because I'll not only show you how to do it, but also give you a powerful software tool to make this process seamless, with a special offer for viewers at the end. When someone submits a form, the typical next step is to send them relevant information, trigger an email, or start a training sequence. To make this happen automatically, you'll need the right software set up correctly. First, let's quickly walk through how this process works in most software tools. The first thing you need to do is ensure that your form is connected to an automation tool. The software we'll be using today makes this really easy, but make sure you've linked your form to the automation system. Whether it's a lead capture form, registration, or sign-up form, the goal is to trigger an action once the form is submitted. Once that's set, you'll want to create a trigger for your training sequence. This is usually done by setting a condition that when the form is completed, the system will automatically start your predefined sequence. You can set conditions like when this form is filled out, send an email, or trigger a sequence of emails, and that will begin the process. Now, let's get into specifics. In most systems, you'll have the option to choose the action after the form submission. For training sequences, this is where you'll select the automated email, video series, or any other content you want to send. What's key here is setting the right parameters. Don't just trigger any sequence. Be sure to select the exact training or course content that's aligned with the person's interests or the form they filled out. You can even personalize it further, for example, by using custom tags or fields in the form to send a personalized sequence to the right person. Next, make sure you set any delays between each step in the training sequence so it doesn't overwhelm the user. A good rule of thumb is to space out emails or content to give them time to absorb and engage. At this point, you might be wondering if all this can really be set up quickly. And the answer is yes. With the right software, it's a simple matter of connecting your form, setting your conditions, and choosing your training content. This is exactly why I recommend the software we're using in this tutorial. It's fast, efficient, and allows for powerful automation like this. Now that you have your training sequence all set up, it's time to test it out. Fill out the form yourself and watch the trigger activate, automatically sending the sequence. If it works as expected, you're done. If not, don't worry. Check your conditions and automation rules to make sure everything is set correctly. Key takeaway. The key thing to remember here is that automating your training sequences based on form submissions saves time and ensures that the right person gets the right content at the right time. Make sure your form is connected, set the right conditions for triggering your sequence, and test to make sure it works. Just a quick reminder, if you want to follow along with this tutorial using the exact software I've been using, make sure you grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. This is only available to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. To recap, connect your form to an automation tool, set the trigger for your training sequence, select the right content, and test it. Automating this process will save you time and ensure your users get exactly what they need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description.